Hello YouTubers, this is Joe here again, doing a quick video on maintenance that I did to this vehicle to make it perform better. I had a sputtering problem, I had a hesitation problem, fuel consumption problem, and I looked at a lot of the different forums online regarding all these information. A lot of people said you had to change the mass airflow sensor, which I did, and that helped. I had a leaky, faulty airbox here, which I had to replace, but currently I have it strapped down with a new filter, and I had one of the tabs broken on this side, so just to give it more pressure, I tightened it up real good. I changed the EGR valve, which is that white sensor right there. It's like a cylinder sensor. Looks like this when it's sitting down. As you can see, it's all gummed up, it's all messed up. I changed the IX sensor, which is an intake air control sensor, which is this, and I changed the throttle position sensor. This is all easy stuff you can do, held on by 2 bolts, you know, not much effort. That had like a flathead screwdriver. Just getting to the tight spot, it's a little hard. This is a Chevy C1500 Cheyenne, and it's a rear-wheel drive V6 4.3 liter. This is the throttle position sensor right here, easy, and then behind it is that little gold one back there. That's the IX sensor. I changed all that, and I wanted to do a quick video to let you see how the car is running. I still have a few things to do. I had to change the spark plugs because the truck was misfiring. It was idling weird. It was not driving at all very great. In the highway it would be okay, but you know, other than that, when I was on at a red light, it would shut off on me, and that's probably due to the EGR valve. Let's see here. I had a check engine light come on recently, and that's for the ABS, which the sensors I gotta change, but this is how it sounds. Straight to idle. Car was relatively warm. I just drove in, went to the post office. I came back, been cleaning it up a little bit. And grab the engine a little bit. I have a little exhaust leak, which I had to change eventually. Just don't have the money for it right now. So it's pretty smooth. It's not bad, better than what it was. Just got it washed. That's basically it. So once again, just to summarize everything, if you're having a hesitation problem, sputtering problem, it could be these sensors that just go bad. As you can see, they get dirty, they get used up. 10, 15, 20 years of sitting in your car with a rough environment, you know, does get to it eventually. Now, I've done a lot of other things to this car, including intake manifold gasket. It has a brand new one. I was having a coolant leak, so I got that squared away. I don't have a video for that right now, and I've been keeping up with the maintenance on it. Car runs good. Just gotta get it all tidied up, clean it up. That's basically it. Appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope this helps you in any way. I'm sorry it's not a how-to video. There's a lot of them out there already, and this is just a conversational piece to inform you regarding problems you may have. One other thing, if you decide to change the air filter and change all these things, clean them up inside with a nice damp cloth. Make sure it dries properly. There's a lot of dust in there. This guy had sand in there somehow. and I was able to get all that stuff out so the car doesn't have no, problems in the future. Other than that, that's it. I gotta do a few more things and catch up to that. So thank you for watching. Any questions, comments, leave it at the bottom. Thank you.